guys, welcome back. Today I have another fun video for you. This is the FabFitFun fall box and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So obviously I partnered with FabFitFun on this unboxing. It's kind of become like a little tradition now. So I want to show you guys what's inside. I've actually had a few messages from you guys asking about specific products that are in this box. So I can't wait to open up and see what's inside and then share my thoughts with you. Anyway, let's get started. If you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, this is a seasonal box that comes 4 times a year. It's $49.99, but you get well over $200 worth of fashion, wellness, lifestyle, and beauty products, and they're all full size. Every time I do a little tally of what's in my box, I always find that it's well over $200 in value, so I think they even just say $200 to be on the safe side because it's always way more than that. So every time you open it, they always have a little magazine, and it just kind of tells you a little bit about the brand and all the products that you're getting inside, and then they always have some coupons for you too. And then there are the products. I personally feel like the FabFitFun subscription box is one of the better ones that I've seen out there. I actually, for a long time there, I was like, our subscription box is gonna make it, but I really think this one, it really stands out because there is such a big variety of products in this. And one of the features that I really love is that you can customize some of the products as well. So let's start with the beauty products because obviously, that's what I want to focus on. Wander Beauty, I really love Wander Beauty, and actually, I hadn't tried these. I'm a huge fan of eye masks, of the hydrogel and like the foil ones. These are their baggage claim gold eye masks, and they're really just kind of Instagram worthy. But what I like about these kinds of eye masks is that they really help to depuff your eyes before makeup. So I like to use these kind of like a serum, and then I'll put all the rest of my skincare on, like my moisturizer. So these are really fun. They really are gold if you haven't seen them. And I've been really excited to try these. All right, next, it looks like, and you guys can see all of this is full size. This is from Aveda. It's called Damage Remedy. It's a daily hair repair. It's a conditioner slash like styling hair product. And you know, fun fact, I used to work at Aveda when I was in college, and I learned a lot about Aveda products. And one of the things I love the most is the scent of Aveda products. It's very distinct. All right, next one. Let's see. This is by Harper and Aria. It's exfoliating sugar cubes. I want to smell these. I love stuff like this for the shower and for the bath. Sugar is a natural humectant, so if you guys don't know, it exfoliates your skin, but as it starts to dissolve with the water, it actually is hydrating your skin. So sugar is a natural humectant. That's why it feels so nice on your skin. I know sometimes I say I don't like physical scrubs, but on the body, I feel a lot different about that. And sugar is one of those physical exfoliants that I really love. I love that as a scrub on my body. Next up, this might be one of my favorite products ever. This is a hair towel, and I'm a big fan of these type of like microfiber hair towels because I have really thick hair. I don't like my hair to be soaking wet after the shower, but I do like to throw it up into a towel while I do like my skincare. So these are great because they are much more gentle on your hair. They really do soak up all that water because water damage is a real thing with your hair. Like you don't want it sitting in just a regular towel just sopping wet because that can actually damage your hair more. So one of these kinds of towels is always great. This one looks like it turns into a turban and then, you know, clips in the back. So it's great if you're doing your skincare or something like that. I wouldn't leave it on all the way through your makeup, but I would definitely, you know, I leave these on when I'm doing my skincare, and I love to use these kinds of towels. All right, Human Plus Kind, skincare with a conscience. I've never heard of this brand. I also love discovering new brands. I don't know if you guys do. There are so many brands to discover these days, so this is a fun way to actually discover and try out stuff. This looks like it is a body souffle, naturally derived ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. All right, let's smell it. What does this remind me of? You guys, it's a very reminiscent scent. If you guys got this box and you got the body souffle, tell me what you think this smells like. It reminds me of something from my childhood or like maybe my like teen years. And it's very soft. And it's absorbing fast too. All right, next one. This is by Cosmetics. This is actually the product that you guys were asking me about because it's a pure vitamin C powder. It's called Mixing Crystals. I find this to be very interesting because one of the biggest controversies about vitamin C, and you guys know I love vitamin C for my skin, is a lot of people are like, you can't prove if it's stable or not when you purchase these serums. So what's interesting about this is they make it in crystal form, so it's like powdery, and then you mix it with like your serum, like a hyaluronic acid or some kind of like a glycerin, or you can mix it with your moisturizer, and then you get the benefits of the vitamin C. I'm very curious to try this stuff. It says ingredients are L-ascorbic acid, like that is it. So this is just like pure vitamin C, like it says, pure C. So I'm very excited to try this. All right, so this is one of the custom items. I chose this one specifically for Anna on our team because I know she really likes scarves, and we're in fall. This one is nice and plush, and it's soft, and it's warm. So this one is for Anna because she deserves it. And for the last item, I also chose this one. I customized my box. I've been eating a lot of cheese lately. Pregnant mama wants cheese in that 3rd trimester. So this is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. It could also make like a really good gift as well, which is what I was kind of thinking if I need to like gift it to somebody, you know? Do you ever feel like you need to just have gifts on hand? Like you get invited to something and you're like, I don't have a gift, I waited till the last minute. Anyway, this one looks really cool. I love wood and ceramic features, and it's also got like the brassy gold knife and fork. So it's right up my alley as far as my home decor goes, so I was really interested in this. All right, so I think that is it in the box, and when I say that is it, there are a lot of products, obviously, and I'm really excited to use my cheese board. I don't know why I'm so excited about the cheese board, but I really am. I also have a code for you guys. If you use the code Mixed Makeup when you check out, you'll get $10 off of your box. If you want this specific box and to customize this one, you have to sign up very soon because this is the current fall box. So this is what you get. Obviously, there's some other choices because you can customize it. So go on to the website, check it out. This is what I got. I'm really excited to try the Cosmetics Pure Vitamin C as well because you guys know I love vitamin C, so I'm really curious to see if some results from this. And I think I'm excited about these too, just because everything is all about food to me lately, and I feel like I want to eat these, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna use them on my body because I've been using scrubs like this on my stomach to prevent my stretch marks, so I'm excited to use this. Again, the code is Mixed Makeup. You get $10 off of your first box. You can feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. Probably when this video goes up, I'll have already tried these products, so I'll have even more to say about it too. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm at Susan Yara, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.